Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with a frustrating issue. Your Instagram live screen isn't working, and it's 2025, time to get it fixed fast. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, effective steps that could have you live streaming in no time. This problem often stems from app glitches, connectivity issues, or device settings, but we'll tackle it head on. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause Instagram Live to fail. Open a web browser and load a few pages. If it's slow, restart your router or switch to mobile data. Once that's solid, move on to the next step. Next, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Outdated apps are a common culprit for bugs. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. Install the latest version, as 2025 brings new features and fixes that might resolve your issue. Now, clear your app's cache and data. Over time, cached files can corrupt and cause problems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app or reinstall it. This fresh start often works wonders. Restart your device. It's a classic fix for good reason. Power off your phone or computer, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can reset any temporary glitches affecting Instagram. Don't forget to check your permissions. Instagram needs access to your camera and microphone for live. Go to your device settings, find Instagram in the app permissions section, and make sure camera, mic, and storage are enabled. If they're not, toggle them on and try again. If that doesn't do the trick, test on another device. Sometimes, the problem is hardware specific. Borrow a friend's phone or use a tablet to see if Instagram Live works there. If it does, you might need to troubleshoot your original device's hardware. Lastly, if all else fails, contact Instagram support. Head to the help section in the app or visit their website for troubleshooting guides, or submit a report with details about your issue. They're usually quick to respond. There you have it. Easy steps to fix your Instagram live screen not working in 2025. Give these a try, and you'll be back to engaging with your audience in no time. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.